ServiceMagic is a platform designed to connect homeowners with local service professionals. The platform offers a diverse range of services encompassing home repairs, cleaning, landscaping, and more. Many homeowners appreciate the convenience afforded by the ability to find and compare service providers within a single platform. The time-saving aspect is significant as the platform allows homeowners to quickly and easily request estimates from multiple contractors, thereby saving both time and effort. ServiceMagic vets its contractors, offering homeowners some confidence that they are engaging with reputable professionals. The platform also provides customer support to homeowners throughout the process, from the initial stage of finding a contractor to resolving any issues that may potentially arise. However, there are also potential drawbacks. Some homeowners have expressed concerns that the prices quoted by contractors through ServiceMagic are higher than those they might find through alternative channels. Reports of communication problems between homeowners and contractors have surfaced, particularly in the areas of scheduling and payment arrangements. Instances of contractors exaggerating their skills or qualifications in their profiles on ServiceMagic have also been reported. Holding contractors accountable for substandard work or unethical practices can prove challenging when using ServiceMagic. In summary, ServiceMagic can be a valuable resource for homeowners seeking local service providers. It is, however, essential to be aware of potential drawbacks and to conduct thorough research before engaging any contractor. It is advisable to obtain multiple quotes and verify references before making a final decision. There are alternative platforms available for homeowners to consider. These include HomeAdvisor, Angie's List, Thumbtack, and Yelp. It is always a good idea to compare several options to find the best fit for your needs. When assessing a platform for finding service professionals, firstly, consider the range of services offered. Does the platform cater to the specific type of project you have in mind? Secondly, examine the vetting process for contractors. What measures does the platform take to ensure the quality and reliability of its service providers? Thirdly, evaluate the cost structure. Are there membership fees, or does the platform operate on a commission basis? Fourthly, read reviews and testimonials from other homeowners. What are their experiences with the platform and its contractors? Fifthly, check the platform's dispute resolution process. How does the platform handle disagreements between homeowners and contractors? Sixthly, consider the platform's customer support options. Is there a dedicated support team available to assist with any issues that may arise? Seventhly, evaluate the platform's search functionality. Can you easily find contractors who specialize in your desired service and geographic area? Eighthly, assess the platform's communication tools. Does it facilitate easy communication between homeowners and contractors? Ninthly, check the platform's insurance and licensing requirements for contractors. Does it ensure that contractors meet the necessary legal and regulatory standards? Tenthly, consider the platform's mobile app availability. Does it offer a convenient mobile app for managing your projects on the go? Each of these factors can play a crucial role in determining whether a platform is the right choice for your needs. Remember to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. Engaging service professionals requires careful consideration. Obtain detailed written estimates outlining the scope of work, materials to be used, and the total cost. Verify the contractor's license and insurance. In New Jersey, you can check the license status of contractors through the New Jersey Division of Consumer Affairs. Read online reviews and check references. Contact previous clients to inquire about their experience with the contractor. Clearly define the payment schedule and payment terms. Avoid paying a large upfront deposit. Get everything in writing. Ensure that all agreements, including the scope of work, materials, and payment terms, are documented in a written contract. Understand your rights and responsibilities as a homeowner. Familiarize yourself with consumer protection laws and regulations. Communicate effectively with the contractor throughout the project. Address any concerns or issues promptly. Conduct a final inspection upon completion of the work. Ensure that all work meets your expectations and complies with the contract. Keep records of all communications, payments, and documents related to the project. These records may be useful in case of any disputes. These steps can help you protect your interests and ensure a successful outcome. Always prioritize safety when working with contractors. Ensure that the work area is safe and secure. Take precautions to protect your property from damage. Supervise the work as needed to ensure that it is being done properly. Report any safety hazards to the appropriate authorities. By following these precautions, you can help prevent accidents and injuries. Remember that choosing a service professional is an important decision. Take the time to research your options, ask questions, and make an informed choice. A little diligence can go a long way in ensuring a positive experience.